Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, actually, I hit 20,000 subscribers. Brayden and I are making a cake to celebrate that. I'm doing a 20,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll talk about it at the end of the video. We got, what is this? What are you reading?
I was reading that, yeah.
Rainbow confetti cake mix. My mom got me this. And then some funfetti vanilla cake frosting. Yeah. I hope we have the rest of the ingredients.
Whole milk or 2%?
Whatever you want. Do we have eggs? I hope we have eggs. 3.
We don't have eggs.
We don't? Seriously? Oh. This is awkward. Yeah, we have the eggs. And then I have some sprinkles. We have like a ton of sprinkles. I don't know if I'm gonna use pink, but I pulled them out because they're here. And then some red cake frosting bag thing that I can write 20K on. So let's do it. First step. Brayden, will you preheat the oven to 350, please?
350.
Yeah. I have a ton of questions that I pulled from Instagram from like an old questions thing that I posted on my Instagram that I never answered, so.
You should answer questions while you're making the
That's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I pulled some of them, put them in my notes so that I remembered to do it. So I have a few questions that I can answer to make this more interesting. Really messy way. Booyah. Do you remember the whole Shibuya roll call? What was that? Does anybody?
But do you remember all aboard the choo-choo train, all aboard the choo-choo?
Yeah, that's right. Choo-choo, Soul, with Genevieve. Done that. Done with the water. Brayden's getting the eggs. I hope they're not expired. Like, I don't remember the last time we used eggs in quarantine. I hope this isn't expired. I don't know when we used any of this. I'm super big on expiration dates because I get super anxious. Is there a thing called like expired food anxiety? Because I have it. February 12th, 2022. We're good. Okay. I think we need a third a cup of this.
These eggs are so good.
Well, I can't taste the difference in eggs.
No, neither can I, but they just crack really good. Like the shells, like it just like.
The like measurements of these are like worn off. I'm just gonna guess. What have you been doing in quarantine?
Nothing.
YouTube? That's really it. I've just been kind of filming YouTube videos and doing like, I don't know, random stuff like that.
Quarantine is so boring though.
Quarantine is very boring. Brayden?
Like Tiger King quarantine was fun.
Yeah.
But this, what would we call quarantine right now?
Like.
That one.
Yeah.
This quarantine is really boring.
Okay, yeah, plans for the rest of the summer. We're going to Colorado a week from Friday. That's like, in like a week and 2 days, basically. Today's Wednesday. And before you say anything, it's essential travel for my dad's work. Yeah, and then I move into college on August 6th. Brayden, what are your plans for the rest of the summer? I guess the same thing, basically. Yeah.
Well, school starts a week after I get back.
Yeah, so the next one is what my major and minor is. My major is public relations, and my minor is film studies. Brayden is not in college, but Brayden, do you know what you want to major in?
I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe business or marketing. I have no idea.
Okay. How many countries and states have you been to?
I've been to 5 countries.
No, you've been to more. Because you've been to Aruba too.
United States, Aruba, Bahamas, Canada, Finland, Norway. Oh, it's the 6th.
Brayden's been the 6th.
Or wait, did I say Bahamas?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the 6th. And then 36 states.
I've been to 5 countries. Canada, US, Bahamas, Finland, and Norway. And I've been to 41 states, so really close. I'm trying to get to all 50 before I turn 21, but I have like less than 2 years, so I set that goal for myself when I was like 7, so hopefully I get there, but that's gonna be kind of hard given this whole coronavirus thing. Coronavirus. Okay, now we're gonna blend all this together. This is the like mixture in the bowl. Brayden, do you want to do it or do you want me to?
You can do it. Why are you like obsessed with confetti cake?
I don't know. Mom bought it, not me.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. BRB. Okay. We got the batter. We got the batter. Get it off the sides. You know the drill? All right, next question. Fave TV shows right now. This is like a little...
Dead to Me season 2.
Oh yeah, Dead to Me is so good. They just got renewed for a 3rd season. So...
It's not very popular, I don't know why.
I think it is pretty popular, but like with like a weird crowd. I don't know.
Yeah. For sure. Happy 20,000.
Ah! There's a fire. Okay, don't get it close to my hair, Brayden. It's gonna
It smells really good.
I have so much hairspray in my hair right now, so my hair is definitely flammable.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Somebody asked if a lot of people at school watch my channel. I don't know. Do a lot of people he's still in high school. I don't know I know a lot of people in high school watch my channel, but I don't know about college.
Most of my friends watch her videos.
Yeah, I did meet a lot of people like during recruitment week last year when I was going through Rush. A lot of girls like were like, oh my gosh, I watch your YouTube channel. And I had only had like 5,000 subscribers then. So, I don't know. My videos about college get a lot of views, but I don't know if it's mostly like FSU students watching it or mostly like other people. Fave video you've ever made? Brayden, you want to answer that first? Brayden has a YouTube channel too. I'll link it down below.
Oh, like on my channel?
Yeah.
Like the most fun one to make, or like the
Just
like
your
the best
favorite,
one?
I don't know. Do you want to lick this?
Your graduation video is really fun.
What?
Lick it? No.
My favorite video on my channel is probably, there's my video that went viral. That is basically the sole reason that I hit 20,000 subscribers yesterday. So that's a pretty good one. It's actually not my favorite video, but the fact that it blew up makes it one of my favorites. I like my playlist live vlogs.
Oh yeah, mine are really funny.
I like my move-in vlogs.
Vlogmas, I like my Vlogmas.
I don't like my vlogmas.
My Vlogmases are funny.
I like my video from last year. It was my last day of high school. I really like that video.
That's too big.
That olive oil stuff, but I don't know if that's like good for baking.
Avocado oil?
Maybe not. That sounds disgusting for a cake.
Cooking spray. What about coconut?
Wait, I think I had a dream that I tried avocado last night and I liked it.
It's actually like okay. Okay.
Ew.
We're gonna use coconut oil.
That's fine.
I don't want to get it on your phone.
Okay, we're using coconut oil. Spray the pan.
Not done heating up yet.
Okay. We can answer questions in the meantime. Oh wait, I just licked the spatula. I can't get the, I need another spatula. I just licked it. Brain, do you have anything to say in celebration of 20K? Did that rhyme? What if people watch this video when I have like 100,000 subscribers and they're like, oh, remember when she hit 20,000? I'm kidding. What
Then
if I never
why
hit 100K?
do I not also have 20,000? Because all of you should be subscribed to me
That's
as
facts.
well.
The oven's still heating up. We'll answer a few more questions. Where do you want to travel the most?
Probably Iceland.
Yeah, I like Iceland.
Like I want to go there so bad.
Yeah, Iceland's a good one. Mine is either probably Bali or Thailand.
Those are really cool.
Yeah. I'm liking the vibe of it. Haven't been yet, but I'm liking the vibe. Do you plan on studying abroad? I do. Brayden, do you want to study abroad?
Yeah, but yeah.
I think hopefully I'll be able to study abroad next summer if all works out. But I don't really know if that's gonna work out.
But I don't know if I would do studying abroad. I might just do like
I think I'm gonna try and do, I don't think I'm gonna study abroad. I think I'm gonna like go abroad next summer, but have an internship. So it'd kind of be like studying abroad, but not like through my school.
Because when Dad went, it wasn't like studying, right? It was just like traveling.
Yeah. What are we waiting for that to heat up to?
350. Oh, it's on there.
Perfect timing.
You're psychic.
Okay, wait. I think that's 13 by 9, right? So
Probably,
20
yeah.
to 25 minutes. So put it in for 23.
23.
Go. We only have a few questions left. Anything you wish you did different freshman year? You could do this as like last year, so your junior year. Anything I wish I did differently? I don't think so, really. I wish it lasted longer, but like obviously it couldn't because of the situation at hand.
Junior year was terrible.
Oh, why didn't you like junior year?
It was just so bad. So I wish, like freshman year, I took for granted so much. And then sophomore year, I was like, sophomore year like sucks. I wish I didn't take advantage of freshman year. But then junior year was so bad compared to them. So
what do you wish you did differently?
Just don't take advantage, don't take your freshman and sophomore year for granted.
I would agree with that statement. Sophomore year was my favorite year, and then
Me
senior
too,
year.
probably.
Mine went sophomore year, senior year, junior year, freshman year.
I really hope senior year is good.
Fave part about college? Being away from home. I really like college, like the college YouTube part of it, because I've been waiting to make like college related videos for so long. So the fact that I'm finally making them is super fun. My favorite part of high school was just like seeing everybody every day.
Yeah,
like,
but that doesn't happen right now.
I know, but you don't see everybody every day in college. But like you're literally with your friends every second of every day in high school. And I miss that so much. And I miss high school more than anything.
Yeah.
Don't take high school for granted because it's honestly the best thing in the world. Will you ever reschedule your internship in LA? No, I would love to intern at some point in LA, but next summer I'm trying to intern like in another country somewhere abroad. And then the summer after that will be my last summer before like I graduate. So I'm gonna try and get an internship in either LA or New York since those are the entertainment industries. So I'm not rescheduling that exact internship, but I'm gonna try to intern at some point either in LA or New York. So there's the answer to that. We'll see you in 19 minutes. Okay, just kidding, I'm back. I decided to talk about the giveaway that I'm doing. I'm gonna go get the prize. Anyways, thanks for 20K. Here's your surprise. Yeah, I'm giving away a pair of AirPods. All you have to do to win them, you gotta subscribe to me on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. And then leave me a comment on this video telling me your Instagram username so I can make sure that if you win, you're following me on Instagram. Literally, that's all you have to do. Subscribe, follow. I'll leave the links to everything in the description. I'm gonna choose the winner on August 1st. So you have kind of almost a month, like 3 weeks to enter this. And yeah, it's gonna be international, so you can enter no matter where you live in the world. And that's all. Here they are. They're brand new, unopened. Yeah, I'll clean them before I send them with Clorox since I've been touching them. And Corona's still a thing, I promise. Yeah, that's all you have to do. Subscribe, follow, then these are yours if you win. Braden's making a lot of noise. And I will now see you in 17 minutes. We're taking it out of the oven. Put it right here. We'll let it cool.
Don't I need to rest it on this?
Yeah, putting all my COVID germs on it. I don't have COVID.
COVID.
We'll be back. The cake is right here. She's beautiful. We're gonna decorate her.
How are you lifting that up? Is it not hot?
No. Should we put her on a plate first? So we have the frosting. We'll get another spatula. Real question, have you guys seen Hamilton yet? If not,
what
why?
are you waiting for?
What are you, yeah. But if you don't get, if you like do have the chance to ever see it in person, like go.
Go.
Even though like oops.
Oh.
Maybe it's not cooled down enough.
Maybe not. Are you gonna write like 20K on this?
Yeah. Even though we've already paid for tickets 3 separate times, like I promise you, I will never stop paying for Hamilton tickets. That is a purchase I can 100% justify. I kind of want to watch Hamilton again tonight.
T-Moo.
1776. Anyways, if you have seen Hamilton, whether you've seen the movie or the show, or wait, sorry, the movie or like the actually seeing it on Broadway, let me know what your favorite song is or like scene from the show is. Mine is either, I don't know. It goes back and forth every time. I was just talking about this with my fam. What is he doing? I really like Helpless, and I really like It's Quiet Uptown. Also, tell me who your favorite Skylar sister is. We can talk about that. My favorite is Eliza. What? Brayden! If my house blows down,
It's because of
or
what's it called when
burns
you
down.
like are obsessed with fire?
Probably not good.
It's like a.
Brayden left me high and dry.
You write your twos like that?
Yeah. How do you write them?
Like a squirgle? Squirgle? Is
20?
squirgle a word? Wait, do you guys write
Okay.
your twos like, or do you write like the loop?
Comment down below. I'm
Like
getting
more?
a procedure done tomorrow and I can't eat past 6 o'clock.
More sprinkles?
So it's 6:41, so I have to wait to eat it till tomorrow, but it looks good. Okay, she's done! This is what she looks like. 20K. Here's the final cake. We got all of our stuff. This is the final cake. She looks so pretty. Happy with the final result. And yeah, thanks for watching. I love you. See you in my next video. Thank you for 20K. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. I'll have all the info for it down below. And bye guys.